If you want to create a feature where you can highlight every matching row based on whatever artist you have selected on the search by column here, this is how you do it. The first thing I'm going to do is to create a drop down list for search by artist so that you don't have to manually type it in there. But there's a series of artists here and you have to get a unique one. So I'm going to use column L as a temporary data set here to actually get the list of unique artists. The formula to do that is equal unique. And the first argument in there would be the artist list itself from your data set. Then you close parenthesis, and if you hit enter, it'll give you the list of all the unique artists here. Now you're going to associate this in your drop down list. Select cell C6 here and you go to data from your ribbon, data validation. In here, make sure you select settings tab. On the allow, you're going to change this to list. On the source, you're going to click on this arrow here, which gives you an option to actually select the dataset or cells on your spreadsheet here. Basically, you're going to go and select all the artist lists that you got as a unique artist list here, and you hit enter twice like this. And then now you got the pull down menu, or rather drop down list on cell C6 here. And if you do this, you can see all the available artists that's from this unique artist list here. So as a test, I'm going to select Isabella here, and you can see it works. Now to associate this with your data set so that it highlights every occurrence or matching row, basically what you do is that you select your complete data set like this all the way down to the very last row. Let's go all the way up here, and after that you're going to go to home, style, conditional formatting, and let's do a new rule here. In this new rule here, you're going to say use formula to determine which cell to format, and on this formula, basically you're gonna go and select equal, and then you're gonna select this artist here. Very first one is gonna be B10, and you're gonna press F4 twice like this so that your column B will be fixed but your row is variable. And you're gonna say equal again, and then this time around you're gonna select this search by artist cell here, which is C6, and after that click on format. Make sure you're on the fill tab and select the color that you like to highlight the row. I'm going to select red like this so it's obvious, and click OK and OK. Now you can see the selection is already working. Now if I have to go ahead and make changes to say Elijah, you can see that every occurrence of the artist Elijah is highlighted. And then if I change to Victor, you can see all Victor Atlas rows are selected.